So just yesterday, Google's division of their self-driving car program, Waymo, was involved in an accident on the road. What's up guys, your driver Mike here, back with another video. This channel is dedicated to the rideshare space, so if you're a driver, a passenger, or someone just interested in the rideshare space, consider subscribing. This happened in Chandler, Arizona just yesterday, where a Waymo van was involved in an accident. Now, this was not Waymo's fault, however, as a sedan ran a red light, swerving to miss an accident and in turn hit the Waymo vehicle. Initially, reports stated that the Waymo van was in autonomous mode, when more recently this was updated stating the Waymo vehicle was actually in manual mode. I'll leave a link to the article as well as the video of the collision in the description below. Again, it's important to note that Waymo was not at fault in this accident. When it comes to self-driving cars, there's always a lot of questions centering around safety. A question that I like to ask is if you would take a self-driving car, whether that be with Waymo or Uber. Your driver Mike here, I do appreciate you watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to join your driver team, and I will see you in the next one.